started thinking about how to make the barn better, we just kept coming up against the height. I actually taped it off, like what it was gonna look like, and I realized we made a mistake. Like I was like, this is not gonna work. And then we were washing the greens, sprinting the greens, and then they either went to the cooler for storage or they went to CSA.
So keep the barrel washer there, spray here, greens here. This is sort of your lowest soil path.
But we're about to epoxy the floor and